How to redeem Amazon gift card in Amazon app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Amazon app. Log into your account, then click on three lines located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find Gifts. Click on Gifts and Registry. After clicking on Gifts and Registry, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go all the way down till you find Redeem Amazon gift card. In here, it will show you your current balance in dollar. To redeem a card, you can simply scan your claim code or enter your code. After entering or scanning, simply click on Apply to your balance and you're good to go. That's how you redeem Amazon gift card in Amazon app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.